Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more security and privacy. Let's tap on it. And here scroll down again to localize credential storage. At the bottom of this list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on remove all user certificates and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive right now, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.